Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for stopping by. So today I've just got a quick haul for you. It's nothing much, it's just one item. Do you remember me saying about maybe a week, 10 days ago that I ordered a smartwatch just to keep track of my sleep, you know, and my exercise, my heart rate and things like that? Well, it's come today. I had to go through so much to actually get it. So basically on the 31st of March I got an email from the company who said that it had been dispatched, and I was still waiting for it today. Yesterday I was still waiting for it, and it had been like 8-9 days. So I took to contacting the company, and they were basically saying, well, we've had the Easter weekend. And I said, yeah, I know we've had the Easter weekend, but I mean, that was only 2 days out of the whole like 10 days I've been waiting, and I don't mind waiting as long as I know when the courier company are going to get it and when it's going to get delivered, because I'm not always home. So they said, well, we can't exactly tell you when it's going to get delivered. And I said, well, where is it at the moment? And it was still in the warehouse. So they'd sent me an email saying it had been dispatched, but it was still in the company's warehouse. And you know, I just felt like saying, well, you know what, just cancel it. Just because they'd kind of told me it had been dispatched, so I felt lied to, because it hadn't been dispatched. It was still in the company's warehouse. But anyway, it's here. It didn't cost a lot of money, it was £40. I do want an Apple Watch, but they cost like, I think the lowest amount is about 300, and I don't have that at the moment. So yeah, it's this one. It's the Reflex Active. It's the newest one on the market, so it's Reflex Active 5. Oh, I've dropped the paper. I'll show you in a second. Right, so this is the little manual that you get inside the box, and then right, it shows you each one. So that's the first one they came out with, that's the second one they came out with, that's the third one, that's the fourth one, and then that one is mine. And it gives you a little scan code there. It says scan the below QR code to set up your Reflex Active Series 05 smartwatch, or visit our website. That's fine. So we'll set that up in a little while on my phone. So leave that there, and then this is what it looks like. I have charged it up for a little while, not long, about 10-15 minutes, while I filmed the haul before this one. So it's still got the sticker on it, and it tells you what it can do. So the feature music control, so if you've got music on your music control, so if you've got music on your phone and you like to listen to that, you can control it through your watch. I don't really listen to music on my phone. Message alerts, just like the iPhone, just like the Apple iWatch does. Step counter, which I wanted. I do have a Michael Kors one, but that only monitors your steps. It doesn't monitor your sleep. Sleep monitor, that's what I wanted it for it to monitor my sleep and then to monitor my heart rate as well. Even though I've just got the blood pressure monitor, I actually ordered this before I knew I was getting that. So then it gives you weather updates, call alerts, distance tracker, activity tracker, camera control, so it takes selfies as well, and then you can find your phone with it as well. And then it says scan here to see our video, so that's it there. And I got this, I got this because it was pink. No word of a lie, I'm wrecking the joint. Just take it out of there, and that's what it looks like. So that's what it looks like. Shall we take this paper off? And it's actually just on the stepper now. So I'll show you what it looks like on my wrist. Well, let me take this off. I've just taken the tag off. Right, so it's saying 9:30, but it's certainly not 9:30. It's approaching 5 o'clock. Right, I don't know how to show it yet. I'll have to show it yet when it's like I'll have to turn the camera around and show it you, but it is really, really nice. It's a really nice bit of kit. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to set it up. I'm going to set it up via my phone, and then we'll talk about it and what my thoughts are on it, as this is like an unboxing and my thoughts on this particular model. Right guys, so I've turned you around. Ignore these swatches here. I've just been doing a video before this one. So this is what it looks like on the wrist. It's really, really pretty. It's got like a rose gold finish here. Then it's got like a little button here. I don't know if you can see it. I've only just seen it now. I was kind of like tapping on it and it didn't turn on. So that's how it turns on. So time at 5:29. Yeah, that's right. And then it's got all these like buttons down here. Oh, and it's telling me, you know, a tweet's just come through, so it does work. So it's saying that I've done 13 steps there. But I'm going to show you the app. Right, it might be best if I take you off the tripod. So I've done 13 steps so far. It's telling me the target is 7,000, but you can obviously change that. Ignore that tweet that's just come through. And then activity down there. You're saying all activities, there's nothing there. Reminder. Choose the type of reminder. Enter preferred time and date. When the reminder time is reached, you will be alerted via vibration and icon. So maybe I can set up like doctor's appointments and things like that. And then settings. So I've already done my profile. It's nothing major. It's like an avatar that you can pick, and also, you know, you just put your weight in there and things like that, so I don't really want to show that. So you've got goals. So it says steps 7,000. Aren't you meant to do 10,000 on average a day? Like, that's going to happen. Distance 6 kilometers. Calories 350 calories. And sleep it's saying 8 hours. Like, that's going to happen. I'm lucky if I get 2 hours on average. And I think that's it. Hang on. Right, so on here you can do slightly more. So obviously there's the my profile, there's goals, notifications. So notifications, you can personalise it to what you want coming through. So obviously calls, I want them coming through. SMS, WeChat, is that an app? I don't know, I've certainly not got it. Facebook, I'd want that. Messenger, yes. Twitter, yes. WhatsApp, yes. Instagram, yes. LinkedIn, I don't have LinkedIn anymore. Line must be an app, we'll untick off that. Viber I don't have. And Skype I don't use. Outlook I've got. And then we'll leave other on as well. So we have ticked off a few. I'm sure that must be an app, that WeChat. I'll need to check that out, and if it is, I'll tick off that as well. I only want the ones coming through, obviously, that are more beneficial to me. But that's that done, so we'll save it. Find device, I've already done that. So if I basically lose my phone, it will help me track it, which is always handy. Use 12-hour format, so you can use a 24-hour clock, which I much prefer, or use a 12-hour clock. You can take a photo as well, which I've just done. Advanced settings, what's that? Heart rate. Take time interval 30 minutes, start time, end time. Right, so we'll save that. Water intake. Right, I'll be personalising the water intake a little bit later on, I think. So all these notifications that are coming through now on my phone, the watch is picking it up. So yeah, I'm really impressed. Gesture control. Raise hand to activate display. I'm going to put that on. Connect Apple Health. I'll connect all these. I might not leave them on. It's really hard to do with this SLR in one hand and doing this in another. Right, so you can change the theme. I think I want it dark. I do this on all my apps. I've done it with Facebook as well. I have it dark just because my eyes are so terrible. I can see it better on a dark background. Overall, on first impressions, guys, I really do feel like this watch is worth the money. It's, like I said, it's great value for £40. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. I remember getting my Apple Watch. It's still on the channel, and I paid about £200 to £300 for it, and this does what your Apple Watch will do. The only thing that you can't really do is put those fancy backgrounds on it. Like I used to have a Minnie Mouse background on it, but I don't really care about that. I like this one a lot more because of the oval face of the watch. I think it's really pretty, and hopefully it will do what I want it to. I will keep you updated if it tracks my sleep, because that's what I got it for. I'm going to the sleep clinic next Friday on the 16th to see the sleep consultant and find out what my issues are. I know what they are already, really. I think I've got sleep apnea. So I've got sleep apnea and I've also got insomnia, so I want to keep track of how many hours I'm getting, and obviously heart rate and things like that. We'll be doing that over the next week. Then by the end of next week I might give an update, not in a dedicated video like this, but just in one of my videos, one of my chit chat, get ready with me's or something like that. I'll tell you what my experience has been with it, but like I was wearing it just then and it told me to drink a glass of water, and I just thought, how cool are you? I think it reminds you to drink water every half hour. To be honest, I've not been drinking as much water as I should, so maybe having that reminder there will say go and get a glass of water. But yeah, I'm really happy with the watch. I like how it looks nice and sleek. It certainly looks like it's worth more than £40. It's not your most, luxurious watch you can have. Like Apple Watches are the ones to get, especially if you've got an iPhone, but like I said earlier, I can't really justify spending that amount of money. They're between £300 and £500, and I don't have that kind of money to be spending on an Apple Watch, and I thought this one would just be ideal because it does a lot of what the Apple Watch does anyway. So this concludes the video, guys. I just wanted to do a little bit of an unboxing. Thank you for watching. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. It means the absolute world to me. If you're new here, why not hit that subscribe button? Please like, it really does help out the channel. Share and comment, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.